Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play depression on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Alright, to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 2. The first part of the song is, so what I did there was open A, pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then open G. Second part, you'll put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and you'll play open G again. So, second part should sound like that. It's like a power chord, but just with these 2 notes, plus you're leaving that G open. So starting over, that's open, 2, open, 2, 4, open. The next part is 3, 5, and then open but on the B string. So that's the B string right there. So open, 2, open, 2, 4, open, 3, 5, open B. And then for the second part, you'll play the first 2 riffs the same. So open, 2, open, 2, 4, open. And then you'll need to stretch your pinky on this one, but it goes 3, 5, 7. And 7 on the G string there. Broke my pinky in high school, so that's why it looks kind of weird, but don't worry about that. If you can't make that reach, you can always go 3, 5, and then 5 on the B string with your middle finger. Or you can bar with your pointer on the 5th fret and try to play it like that. I just like to play with my pinky up there. The first part, open, 2, open, 2, 4, open, 3, 5, open B, and then open, 2, open, 2, 4, open, 3, 5, 7. So the whole thing slower goes open, 2, open, 2, 4, open, 3, 5, open B, and then open, 2, open, 2, 4, open, 3, 5, 7. You just play those 2 melodies throughout the whole song, except in the bridge, something that sounds a little bit different, like after that double kick thing. What sounds good is if you just play open, 2, 2, it's kind of like an A minor chord, but you just leave it open, 2, 2. And then you'll just pick your middle finger up and put it on the 2nd fret of the A string. Just so the first chord is just X, open, 2, 2, open, open. And then it's X, 2, open, 2, open, open. And then you'll go X, 3, 2, open, open, open. And he plays those chords at the end too, I believe.